So there was a crazy Russian here before?
She was crazy, man.
How did you meet her? How did this
I never
start?
met her. I came to look at this house. I've seen this 3 times now.
Right.
When I very first moved here, I came and looked at this.
Right.
Hey, what is up, guys? Brett here, brettdev.com. Now, I just woke up and my neighbour, he just hit me up, called me, said he's going to look at a kick-ass house about 5 minutes from where I live. He said, do I want to go and check it out with him? And I was like, fuck yeah, why not? So I figured I'd make a little vlog, take you guys along with me. I'm not sure where we're going, but he's right over here, so I'm going to ask him. Where we going, dude?
Oh, we're going to go look at a house.
Where is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's over near Wat Pong Noi, close to Wat Umong, which is on the west side of the airport.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a road that parallels the canal road to the west.
Right.
That's like an old road.
Cool.
It's up near the mountain, sort of winds, so it goes all the way up to CMU.
Okay.
It connects up there at Doisaket Road and goes almost all the way to the end of the airport. It's like a back way.
Sweet.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of funky little coffee shops. We're gonna go. I want to take you to another coffee shop over there.
Okay.
Also.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, so this should be good, guys. A little bit impromptu, but yeah, maybe we'll get some. We'll find a cool spot.
I always love all these sculptures and stuff that you see everywhere, like all these elephants, like even on the traffic lights.
It's all the detailing of everything.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
crazy.
I know, it's cool.
In England, we just have graffiti and like human shit. Yeah. So I've never actually been down this, where we're riding right now. I've never been down this area. These are the back roads that, like Scott said, they run along the main road, and we're pretty close to the mountain. The mountain and the zoo and stuff is just over here on my right. I thought for a minute Scott was texting and riding, but he's obviously looking at the map to try and find out where we're going. This looks like a really nice area. It looks very like, I don't know how you say, naturistic or natural. Lots of cool, funky coffee shops, and as you can see, it's very clean. We're kind of getting up, as you get closer to the mountain, you're getting more into the jungle sort of thing, so you kind of get this less city feel, if that makes sense. It's a crazy coffee shop over there on my right as well, huge. This is a very, very nice area, guys, very nice. I don't have a clue where we're going, so I'm just following Scott, and he keeps waving his hands left and right as if we're going to turn, but I'm not sure what he's doing. There we go, he's doing it again. Okay, maybe we've got to take a right here. Okay. Is it left or right?
Not sure. We're gonna use a different map. Alright, there we go. Yeah, not that way, I guess.
All right. Is it here, yeah? Oh, okay. Cool. Honeycup? Hi.
Nice to meet
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
Okay, you take some camera, take a photo.
Oh,
It's okay?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
For YouTube.
Yeah.
Honeycup.
Honeycup?
Have you been?
I've been here before. We have a girl here from Russia. Chiang Mai.
Oh, Russia.
Before, 2 years. I come to look at the room. She said, "No, cannot." I don't know, never see, but she come rush up.
Yes.
There's a crazy Russian here.
Ting tong.
Oh, Stevie.
She finished now.
Oh my God. No. Really have so many problems.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So many.
Oh, I know. I come to look at the room. She said, "No, no one."
ก็เคยมาดูมาเจอไอ้นะ
Wow, check this out. Fucking hell. Amazing.
So many notice so many problems very much.
Her?
Oh.
No time for problem.
Is this like a jacuzzi or a swimming pool?
But now cannot use. We can't have problem for the system water have to leak. The water to leak from the second floor.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
damn. Yeah, jacuzzi up on the third floor, man.
boy.
It's crazy.
Can it be fixed?
Yes, and that even have fixed from the woods.
You know what? Get one of the pre-made one.
Yes,
And just
make
put
one,
put the hot tub inside the hot tub.
Yeah, and some the client before have so young teenage have exercise for jumper in here. Oh yeah. I closed already, but this one to check for cannot take.
Right.
To check it.
Okay. Cool. Wow, this is nice, man. How much is this?
For per month, 20,000.
20. Okay.
And for 1 year?
For 1 year.
Die.
That's not a bad price,
How
bro.
much for 1 year?
20,000 down.
Down, come on. Come here, please. Down more.
Just for the contact 1 year, na 18,000.
I'll cook for you, make breakfast American style for you.
Yeah. Contact.
Wow, man, this is nice. It's 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom?
Two bedrooms.
Wow. Dude, this is amazing. I'm gonna move in
This
here.
is gangster.
Yeah.
18,000.
So you've got your living room here. And you have aircon in all the rooms, yeah? Yeah, for sure,
I
obviously.
have full bath.
But the big room have
Bath too.
inside the toilet, walk-in closet.
And this is a balcony out here. You're right out here, basically near the mountain, all jungle out here. This place is sick.
I work on a computer every day, so
Maybe
this maybe is okay. I don't like to be.
Oh, cool desk, yeah?
I know.
That's
it's right
nice.
there. I
Yeah.
was just saying, like, I don't like to be like off in some room.
Yeah, yeah.
But this would be kind of weird for people to come and sit in your bedroom.
I know, you sit there yourself, mate. Sit and chill.
Well, but
Oh, you're talking about if you have guests over,
Yes,
like in the,
yeah.
yeah.
I mean, you might kind of have to make that the office in there or something.
yeah.
But plenty of room to move.
Well, dude, you could just put the sofa in here and then put the desk in there.
put the sofa and put the TV.
I love how it's all open. There's so much light coming in, right?
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
You got your punishment office right here.
Yeah, I have to some thing when we come back. I just step here for the water to refund. But now it's
Storage.
the rainy season is dropped now. We get the take.
What is this room?
Just punishment room.
It's an empty room.
It's a crazy room.
It's like a panic. It's like a panic room, right?
It's a money hole.
Your cat room.
Oh my God, you got another bathroom here.
Yeah, look at this whole walk-in closet.
Whoa.
Jeez, man. Rock and roll. This is a lot better than that other house I found.
Yeah, this is really good
Ball,
for the
man.
money, man.
Oh no.
18,000 for a year or 20.
15.
15,100. This place is just insane. You got your laundry out here, yeah?
Yeah, man. With a place to hang it up.
Yes, it's hanging
Right.
up and the sun here.
I can learn how to use the washing machine.
Yeah.
So if you moved in, would this get fixed?
Yes, I fix.
You can fix it. And this, you can swimming pool.
No, it's a jacuzzi, right?
Get in there with your body, huh?
You can't swim, but
You can get wet.
yeah, it's just like
Like before, like a spa, like a jacuzzi.
Yeah.
Water
I cut some colored lights in there.
yeah.
Ooh. I like to listen to music.
Oh,
Can hear? You can hear? Can you hear?
I can hear.
No, here. It's noisy.
ชั้น 2 now I'm staying
And I stay. No problem.
You like
Yeah, I
Pong
just
Sit
have-
Campy? Pong Sit Campy? Okay, Pong Sit Campy.
Okay.
Okay. You could be a good neighbor
ชอบ
for
โฮม
me.
ฟิตของพี่
Oh, is that also? Okay.
Yeah.
โฮมฟิต is better
I know. I sleep on Friday. I see Airport Mall.
อ๋อ
For Leo Festival.
6 years
But I like Molang too.
Like if you say okay yes for the less have pay for the sign the contract I cross from
I can't believe this is 20,000 baht.
And then fix the price, fix the pool go up.
no for 16
16.
16 I have crossing for the pool
Close to put the water.
no not put the pool
Ooh.
That's got to be quite expensive to fix, man.
I think so.
Yeah.
because the system too very
What?
expensive
Yeah.
I think you can buy the pool, the hot tub already, the kit.
Oh, you don't want to do
Put
that.
right there.
No.
The beam. Yes.
yes
All self-contained.
Yeah.
The pump inside, the water inside, everything. You just need a drain to go out.
Really?
you can do it
Dude, look how good it looks now. You don't want to just plug a plastic.
You could put a border around it, put plants, and you never know.
Nah,
Bro, let me show you.
I don't know.
Come on. I mean, it would be great to have that right there.
Yeah.
I had a shower in a house like that one time. The shower.
Why don't you
walk
just put a bathtub in it, mate?
Don't think I won't.
maybe on the future I have to plan me for the cut for the tree some
Grow over.
because they can look for the mountain Dosipet temple. Then
I want to see the
then
mountain.
let us see because I have to just cut enough design for
You can see the mountain from here.
yeah.
Oh. You cut the tree out.
You want to private cannot to cut.
I want to see the
I think private.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the trees.
Oh, you like the
I like the tree, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I can cut the tree. ต้องการจะเห็นดอย
I think it's better with the trees.
Oh, I love to see the mountain, man.
Yeah.
I always say if I want to move, I want to see the mountain.
See the mountain.
It's the most beautiful thing here.
This is like your
My first-
it's
well,
like
my
your
fir-
version of like Beverly Hills.
My first condo was Galetong, right by Tonga. You go inside the glass, I just all the mountain, all you see. I just sit there every day like watch TV. It would change color, the sun, the clouds. You see the rain come down. You think, oh no, and then just go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really cool. Okay,
All right, let's
thank
get
you
out
for
of
your
here.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Come on,
Beautiful.
come.
Let me think, and I will contact you. Oh. See, I already tried to make it my house. Start leaving my stuff behind. Are those your earrings?
And how many rooms do you have? 3, yeah?
Two floor.
2 floor.
The downstairs is just storage, huh?
Yeah.
And you're down here?
Yeah.
You're the new crazy Russian lady?
So there was a crazy Russian here
She
before.
was crazy, man.
How did you meet her? How did
I
this
never
start?
met her. I came to look at this house. I've seen this 3 times now.
Right.
When I very first moved here, I came and looked at this.
Right.
It must have just been built, maybe a year old.
Yeah, yeah.
Because downstairs was all construction still.
Yeah.
And I thought this is not. I could be. I wasn't sure. And I was brand new to Thailand. I didn't know what was going on at all. And this area seemed like I was 100 miles from town. Then
Right.
Yeah.
now I know it's not far.
Yeah.
And this area is growing a lot too.
Yeah.
All along by Wat Umong, and it's become very popular.
Yeah, yeah.
And the second time I was moving, I saw this and I go, that's that same house. I want to go look again. And I drove here and I met someone and they go, I'm sorry, there's a girl in there and she won't let anybody look at it until I go, let me talk to her. But no one would. But she was just crazy, huh?
He's crazy, very, very. I hate it when he stay there. Yeah. Oh, every time I just come.
Yak. Call to you and yak.
Oh, not just some that take for the problem.
Just everything a problem. I have ants. I have a gecko in my house. It's okay. Ooh, why so noisy? And here in the nighttime, noisy a lot.
Yeah.
The bird, everything.
You're in the jungle almost,
I'm
man.
in the jungle, man.
Yeah, it's nice.
Lovely.
Dude,
Yeah,
I would sleep with like all those doors open and stuff.
Give me a monkey for a pet. Copy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, come up. Thank you.
Me, you just have the things that come to call me. Hope you see.
Okay. I will talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, come up.
Thank you for
Thank you.
come to visit.
Thank you, come up. Thank you. Dude, that was epic.
All right. Now we gotta find the coffee shop.
Yeah, this is the place. So you've got lots of people like working and stuff here on the laptops and shit.
You know, I think where we are is this is really fucking sweet.
This is really nice. Yeah.
God. Like every place is different. Pizza, spaghetti, steak, salad. Hello.
Just want to grab a coffee, yeah?
I want to grab a coffee and a snack.
Yep.
Yeah. This looks like coffee over here, maybe.
Yeah, it's a coffee shop by the looks of it.
Oh.
Yeah, let's grab a coffee.
Done. Oh, there's one for rent. You take that one right there.
I suppose don't rent it and try and live in it, like you did before. Rented a restaurant to live in.
Oh, I lived in a clothing store once, and I lived in a fire station once, so why not?
This building's cool.
Yeah, I like this. It's got court plaque or something like that.
Yeah. Can I get a hot latte? Hot latte, yeah.
Dude, I'm just my house made of this stuff. I mean, it's badass. It's just plastic, man.
Yeah. Thank you. Sit outside. Well, watch yourself, man.
Yeah.
Come cup? Yeah, take a cup. What a cool little place, guys. So, I'll wrap it up there. That'll be the end of the video, but I hope you liked it. It just goes to show you what kind of place you can get for your money in Chiang Mai. 20,000 baht. That was absolutely amazing for the money. You're about 15-20 minutes on a motorbike from the old city. You're out in the jungle. Absolutely incredible. This whole area is, it's just like I was saying earlier, it's very similar to the street up near where I live, where there's just huge big houses, lots of money. Yeah, amazing what you can get for your money. 20,000 baht. That's like, I'll convert it, but it's not a lot. It's not a lot. About 1,000 baht or something like that. I'm not sure, but you'll see. Until next time, guys. This is Brett, brettdev.com, and we're out. Peace.